Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that most of us do every year on our birthdays: eat cake. Have you ever wondered why we have this tradition of eating cake on our special day? In this video, we'll explore the origins of this tradition and how it has evolved over time. So, let's begin with the origins of the birthday cake tradition. The idea of celebrating birthdays dates back to ancient civilizations such as the Greeks and the Romans. However, the tradition of eating cake on birthdays is believed to have originated in Germany in the Middle Ages. At that time, people would bake sweetened breads to celebrate birthdays. These breads were often topped with candles, which were meant to represent the stars. It was believed that blowing out the candles made a wish come true, and this tradition still exists today. Over time, the sweetened breads evolved into cakes, and the tradition of decorating the cakes with candles continued. Today, the birthday cake is an essential part of birthday celebrations in many cultures around the world. But why cake specifically? Well, cakes are a symbol of celebration and indulgence. They are often associated with happy occasions and are a way to mark a special event. Additionally, cakes are easy to customize and can be decorated in any way imaginable, making them the perfect centerpiece for a birthday party. So, there you have it. The tradition of eating cake on birthdays has a long and fascinating history that dates back centuries. Whether you prefer chocolate cake or vanilla, the birthday cake is a symbol of joy and celebration that has become an integral part of our culture. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you next time.